Let's learn all about the newest feature in the Emory University Course Atlas, the Atlas Cart. The University Course Atlas allows you to search and browse course offerings from across the university at any time without having to log in. Just enter atlas.emory.edu into your browser window to start exploring. When you're ready to get started building your schedule, click the Login button in the top right corner of the Atlas. You'll be asked to enter your Emory ID and password, then you'll be on your way. Once you're logged in, you can continue to search and browse courses using the filters on the left-hand side of the page. When you find a course you would like to save to your Atlas cart, click Add to Cart below the course record. You'll be asked to choose your preferred cart, grade mode, and waitlist selections. By default, courses will be added to your primary cart, which is the cart that will be pushed to Opus when you're ready to begin enrollment. You also have the option of creating multiple carts, so you can explore different course combinations or weekly schedules. But keep in mind that your final course selections must be added to your primary cart so you can send them to Opus. To create a secondary or alternative cart, select the Create a New Cart option from the Which Cart dropdown. You can name this cart whatever you would like. After you create and add a course to a new cart, it will appear as an option in the Which Cart drop-down list as you continue to add courses to your Atlas carts. As you add more courses to one or more of your carts, you may want to look back and see what's in each of them. You can view your carts from the search and menu bar on the left-hand side of the page. Just click Primary Cart or select one of your alternative carts from the Select a Cart drop-down. From your cart view, you can click on the calendar icon from the top menu to see what a weekly schedule for these courses will look like. If you decide to remove a course from any of your carts, click Remove from Cart below the course detail view. Remember, any course you want to push to Opus must be moved into your primary cart. If you would like to move a course from a secondary cart into your primary cart, select the course and click Add to Cart. Please note, you may get logged out of Course Atlas if you go inactive in the platform, even if just for a couple of minutes. If this happens to you, you don't have to worry about losing your courses. The next time you log in, all the courses you saved will still be there. Before you push your final Atlas cart selections to Opus, you should review all the registration indicators in your primary cart. A red circle in the top right corner of a course listing indicates the course is closed. A green circle indicates the course is open. An orange circle with a question mark indicates the course is waitlisted and that you will be added to the waitlist if you selected this option when you added it to your cart. A green check mark in the top right corner indicates you have previously taken this or an equivalent course. A triangle icon to the left of the course detail indicates the course may have a prerequisite, you may need instructor or department permission to be added to the course, or that there is some other reason you may not be able to complete enrollment, such as an account hold. When it comes time for your open enrollment appointment, make sure your final course selections are in your primary cart and that you have reviewed all the registration indicators. Then click Go to Registration at the bottom of the cart. You'll automatically be redirected to Opus, where you will validate and complete enrollment. When your enrollment is complete, you should be automatically logged out of Course Atlas, but we do suggest you navigate back to the Atlas to confirm you have been successfully logged out. If you have any questions about Course Atlas along the way, we encourage you to reach out to the Course Atlas team at courseatlashelp@emory.edu. You can also contact the Opus team if you have questions about completing your enrollment in Opus at opushelp@listserv.cc.emory.edu.